Welcome to Spring Papers, where I share relaxing time with me videos, journaling and other actionable life hacks to be the best version of yourself, ADHD life hacks, and content creation and other app-related tutorials. I had not planned on putting in another order with Leelajournals for a while, but when I saw her new washi tapes, I knew I had to get some. The washi tapes are absolutely stunning. Unfortunately, the mirror-style backing makes it hard to photograph them, but I did my best. She accidentally included the purple rose flowers in with my order. While I sent it back, I included it in this video so you could see how beautiful it is. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It encourages the YouTube algorithm to show you similar videos and helps the channel. Always remember that you as a person matter.